Merhaba, Host Goldenes. Welcome to a day in my life with the Joshkin family here in Turkey. Today is our special day because we're celebrating our second year wedding anniversary. Maaga kaming lumabas kasi may pasok si Habi. So, 7 a.m. pa lang, lumabas na kami. Anyways, paglabas naman ng building, nandun na yung mga restaurants, yung mga stores. But unfortunately, all closed. So, yan, naglibot-libot na lang muna kami. Morning walk. And then, naisip namin na maghanap na lang ng cafe muna habang inaantay yung restaurant na mag-open. Kasi usually, 9 o'clock pa sila mag-open to serve breakfast. So, cafe to drink some coffee and hot chocolate for me. Story time. Me and my husband met way back 2022 in Doha, Qatar. Sa una, naging magkaibigan muna kami and then fall sa isa't isa. And yun. He proposed after 7 months of getting to know each other. Within that 7 months, na-introduce na ako sa kanila and then introduce ko din siya sa amin sa Pinas. Then after we planned the wedding, yung wedding namin is all DIY, and with the help of my sisters in Doha, my friends there, shout out to all of you, I miss you all guys. After 2 months of planning and preparation, we get married. It's a simple and intimate wedding. Anyways, it's already 9 o'clock, so pumunta na kami dyan sa restaurant. 5 minutes walk lang siya away from home. Kami yung unang customer. Saktong 9 o'clock kami dumating. Habang nag-aantay ng order, selfie muna. Happy second year wedding anniversary, Ashkam. And that's what we order, a Turkish breakfast good for 2 person. Happy all soon. Sakto naman after namin kumain, nagising na si Baby Kai. That's all for today. Gule-gule, gurus-urus.